Yeah.
That one. Somewhere that one searches on that one.
Not as much. Yeah. I'm gonna try them again. Everything feel kind of smooth here. I don't know what thing. Pretty mean though, the thing, but.
Bump stop extensions, rear shock extension, 2-inch block, front spacers, sway bar spacers, control arms, upper control arms, urethane bushings, diff drop, and hardware. The right tool for the right job. Separated.
Just position the hoses out of the way. And get the bolt out.
Stock control arm out. Sway bar removal. Collar end of spacer outwards. So this end is facing out. Diff drop.
Make sure you grease the outsides.
Or it'll squeak. There you go. Upper control arm in. Completed with spacer, upper control arm, bump stop extension so you don't snap the struts.
Here.
Sway bar drop bracket. Rear shock extension on the top. There. This is not in the instructions, but we gotta like too much stretch in the rear brake cables, and they don't give any brackets, so we a little bend there and it'll slack it. Angle's pretty gnarly. Steering and CV shafts.
That is neat.
But it's only Audie's truck, so. Rear parking brake cable bracket. Parking brake, emergency brake, same thing. Completed rear end with block and shock extension.
Yodel, 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 yodel.